guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence Sierra here. Follow my new subscribers, welcome. Follow my old subscribers, welcome back, Sierra gang. So today we're going to be doing a really fun video. I think I'm gonna call it fun. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna be doing the 5-minute makeup tutorial slash challenge. Now I kind of want to call this a tutorial only because sometimes I actually do have to do my makeup in just 5 freaking minutes, and this is kind of what I do. Now I do always go for like a beat face, you know, like we want to make it look like we did do something, but you don't have all of that time to do everything, so you kind of gotta minimize some things or like skip some steps. So I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly what I do when I'm like running late for everything that I do, and I only have 5 minutes to get my makeup done. Not only that, I'm actually going to be partnering with my YouTube sister here on YouTube. You guys might already know her. If not, her name is KweenMani. I'm going to put all of her information down below, and this is her YouTube name right here. You guys need to go and check out her channel. She's also going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. It'll actually be really fun to see, kind of compare like what we both do, what we both use and don't use in order to get our 5-minute makeup beats done. So make sure you guys go ahead and go to her channel, subscribe, hit her bell, and follow her on Instagram so that you guys can also be a part of her team. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so I only have 5 minutes to do something to my face. Right now I have on nothing. I have on nothing at all. I don't even have on mascara. Only thing I have on right now is freaking lip gloss, and we just gonna leave it like that because I ain't going nowhere with dry lips. So what I'm gonna do is, I have my phone here. I am going to put on a timer for 5 freaking minutes, and we are going to do our makeup in just 5 minutes. Once the timer goes off, my phone is gonna like so that you guys know that I'm not cheating. And yeah, so I'm gonna actually sit it right here so that you guys can hear it and I can hear it too. And for proof, we're gonna put it on 5 minutes, and I am going to press start. So let's go ahead and do this. So the very first thing I need to do is get my eyebrows together. Now I'm rushing, so you know, I don't know how they gonna look, but we're gonna see. Of course, I don't have a makeup brush. Okay, pause. Okay, I got my makeup brush, and we are about to press resume again. I just wasted so much time. All right, 4 minutes and 41 seconds. Let's go. No, I'm going for the eyebrows. Eyebrows and foundation has to be on fleek. Now I might not have time to like clean them up perfect with my concealer. Okay, that's done, and I'm going to just clean these up. And when I'm rushing, I actually clean up my eyebrows with my freaking finger, and it really works like magic. Okay, eyebrows are on. Now let's get into our foundation. Ooh, I'm not even gonna look at the clock because that's gonna mess me up. Looking at the clock will ensurely. I just sprayed freaking foundation all over my shirt. Great. As long as this is on evenly, we are good to go. My eyebrows actually look pretty decent. Okay, done with foundation. Now, concealer under the eye. We're just gonna do a little bit of concealer today, just because this is also gonna be like a natural look since we only have 5 minutes. Next, we're just gonna set our under eye because we don't want to look oily throughout the day. And then usually I would do a cream contour, but we're just gonna do powder for the day. A little eyeshadow here. And now we're just gonna dust all this off. Blend everything together. Ooh, I look cute. Uh-oh, something's in my eye. And then, yeah, we're just gonna do some setting spray here. Now, I don't have time for lashes, so we're just gonna do mascara. I might have time for some highlighter, y'all. I don't know. Blend in highlighter. And I think I'm done. I think I look cute. I don't know. How many minutes do I have left? I did it. I did it. Actually look pretty decent, I think. I like to say. Take my hair out. So you guys saw my before, and this is my after. And I actually think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see how I look. Alrighty guys, that is it for this makeup challenge. I think I did pretty good. I got all of the key points. I did my eyebrows, I did my foundation, highlight, contour, under eye, and I even had time to do mascara. So I don't know, I think I won the challenge. I think I beat this challenge. I kind of had a slight advantage only because I do kind of usually do this anyway. The challenge is accepted and conquered. I beat that. I think my makeup looks good. So I'm gonna show you guys my before. I need like wind blowing my hair so I can be like. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you liked it, give it a, don't give it a thumbs down. Don't do that. Hit that bell so that you can get all of my videos every time I post. Also subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe now so that you can also become a part of the Tiara gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go to KweenMani. She did a really great job as well. Absolutely love her video. If you guys are going over to her video for my video, show her some love. Let her know that you came from Tiara gang and that we are lit and that you guys love her videos as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.